Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a CD447 inverter. Although this is the explanation of it, and this is my inverter. Yes, it's being supplied by a 20 amps charger. As you can see, this is 10 amps, half of it. Yeah, and the switch is on the bulb. My transformer is about 3 amps transformer. Power consumption of the meter is about 11.1 volts. And now it is being used to drive a DC fan. As you can see in the video, there is no cracking of the fan, which is it is moving at a normal speed. This is a 50Hz inverter, which can also carry anything like TVs, laptops, and so on. Now the consumption is about 5 amps due to the load output. I usually use this fan to cool the MOSFET so it doesn't overheat, and now it's really cool.
Smart for the best.
As you can see now, I use it to start the laptop. You can see the laptop is on. Which is, its power is more than 65 watts. As you can see, there's no external connection to it. It is coming from the inverter directly. This is the IC CD447. Thanks for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.